Probability. And basic human generic whatever terms. First of all, probability is the likeliness of something happening. Likeliness, let me turn this down to a smaller thing. We express probability in fraction form. And in fraction form, basically, if you think about it in a number line, it goes like this. You start at 0. If something has a 0 probability of happening, it basically is impossible. That is a 0 chance of happening. Impossible. What is the probability that today is Thursday? No way it can be, no way is it, it is not. Now, if I asked you what's the probability any given day is a Thursday, that would change that. But today is. And then you've got number 1 here. If something has a probability of 1, then it is certainly true. Certain, the book. The probability that Evelyn is sitting over there and at table number 1 is certain because it is, it happens, you can't change it. And then everything gets split up in between. Whereas right here, dead center, a probability of 1/2 means it is as likely as not to happen. As likely as not. If it falls on this half over here, left of that, this little side over here, that means it's unlikely. And this side over here means it is likely. Now remember, anytime you have that probability, it is not a guarantee. If you have a 3/4 probability of drawing the ace of spades, you are not guaranteed to get the ace of spades. That just means if you pull 4 cards 4 times, 3 of them should be the ace of spades. Okay, it just means that it is likely you're going to get it. Not necessarily a guaranteed thing. Now, here is how we figure probability. Probability is this fraction. On the bottom of the fraction is the number of total outcomes. And on the top is the number of, how does the book put it? The number of favorable, the number you want. Okay, so for example, let's put this up. For example, if you have a spinner, winner, chicken spinner, and it is split into sections A, B, C, and D, okay, the probability, and usually when we do this, we use the capital P for probability, then in parentheses you put what you want to happen. The probability of spinning a B, not an A, a B would be, well, we talked about this, how many total outcomes are there? There are 4. How many of those 4s are the letter B? Just 1. It's a 1/4 probability. And please understand this, ladies and gentlemen. If I were to split this like this and make both of these B, when you split things into different pieces there, they have to be equal. If I asked you what the probability of spinning a B would be, you cannot tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 of those are B's. The probability is not 2/5 for the simple reason not all my pieces are cut into the same exact shape, or they're not equal. In order for you to do it like this, you then would have to split this into all those same size pieces, and the probability of a B, which really is no different than my probability up here, but I have 8 equal sized wedges, 2 of them are B's, and you end up still with that 1/4. You can't, your pieces have to be equal when you find probability. It's a little like this, you could not, if you had a deck of 52 cards and half of them were twice the size of the smaller one, in reality, when somebody's drawing those cards, the bigger cards are going to draw them first because they take up more surface area. Your probability doesn't work. Everything has to be equal. Just like, they always they say a fair coin, they make two-sided coins that are all both on the same side. You have to have equal pieces when you do probabilities. Now, with that being said, we've got so much to talk about here. Take out another blank piece of paper.